This is my homework solution to Paul McCorder's number 16 homework for the Arduino Python series. You can see the homework was to create a paddle in the front of the box that can move back and forth, up and down. So as you can see, I can do that. My setup is just over here with the joystick sitting on top of a breadboard and plugged into the Arduino. Okay, so the code for this, I took the basic bouncing ball program and I added import serial and then the object, the Arduino data equals serial.serial. My Arduino is on COM15 and 115,200 baud. And then I put a timed sleep after it of 1 second like we did in some of the other programs. And then everything is the same for the bouncing ball until you get down to defining the paddle, which is right here. And I have the paddle width, height, and thickness called out up on top there. So the paddle is a box. I gave it a position vector 0, 0, and the room depth for the Z direction to bring it out to the front wall. I made it a color red and specified a size. So the rest of it is the bouncing ball until we get down to here, where I'm reading the data packet from the Arduino, and then the eliminated the B binary and the /r/n at the end. And then I split the data packet at the comma to create creates a list. And then I said value equal data packet, X value equals integer value at 0, Y value is integer value at 1, and Z value would be integer value at 2. Now I really didn't use the Z, I just used the X and the Y in my in the rest of it. So then we have an equation to define pad X, which is paddle X. Okay, so I got the equation using the equation for a straight line going from 0 to 1023. It goes from minus the room width, and then I added plus the paddle width and divided by 2, because if you don't put in the paddle width, then the paddle width will go past the edge of the box. And so I calculated the slope, and then I calculated the intercept at x equals 0. So I did the same thing for paddle Y, pad Y, and changed the position of the paddle with a vector, which was pad X, pad Y, and the room depth divided by 2 like it was before.